Today we will understand the advantages and disadvantages of sourcing. Advantages and disadvantages of sourcing. Sourcing, in a business context, refers to the process of procuring goods, services, or resources from external suppliers or partners. There are advantages and disadvantages associated with sourcing decisions that organizations must carefully consider. Global sourcing is a highly viable solution for facilitating the development of goods and services requiring intensive labor, high production costs, technological proficiency, language proficiency, and other high-value skill sets. If an organization's native country does not provide a conducive ecosystem for ideal outcomes, it tends to rely on sourcing from a foreign destination instead. When compared to local sourcing, a foreign alternative can be beneficial for high-cost countries such as the US, UK, Australia, Canada, and Western Europe. Global sourcing networks for procuring raw materials, resources, and services from countries such as China, India, Brazil, and Bangladesh help businesses in high-cost counties to ensure a comfortable bottom line. With digitalization at the forefront of nearly every business, global sourcing has become far more convenient. Collaborating with global suppliers and partners can be facilitated through traditional online conferencing tools, as well as dedicated software. Current supply chain software solutions provide avenues for real-time collaboration and transparency, providing a number of benefits. Here's a breakdown of both sides. Advantages of sourcing. Number 1, cost saving. Number 2, focus on core activities. Number 3, access to expertise. Number 4, resource allocation. Number 5, risk mitigation. And number 6, time efficiency. Advantages of sourcing. Number 1, cost savings. One of the primary reasons for sourcing is cost reduction. Outsourcing certain activities to external suppliers can often be more cost-effective than performing them in-house, especially if the supplier has economies of scale. Number 2, focus on core activities. Sourcing non-core activities allows organizations to focus on their core competencies and strategic activities. This can lead to increased efficiency and innovation in areas where the organization excels. Number 3, access to expertise. Sourcing from specialized suppliers gives access to expertise and capabilities that the organization might lack. This can lead to higher quality outputs and faster delivery of goods and services. Number 2, focus on core activities. Sourcing frees up internal resources, including manpower, equipment, and facilities, which can be redirected toward more valuable activities. Number 5, risk mitigation. Diversifying suppliers can reduce the risk of supply chain disruptions due to factors like natural disasters, political instability, or economic fluctuations. Number 6, time efficiency. Sourcing can expedite the development or delivery of products and services, as specialized suppliers are often equipped to handle specific tasks efficiently. Disadvantages of sourcing. Number 1, quality control. Number 2, loss of control. Number 3, dependency. Number 4, communication challenges. Number 5, confidentiality and security. Number 6, hidden costs. Number 7, cultural differences. Number 8, loss of skills. Disadvantages of sourcing. Number 1, quality control. When sourcing externally, organizations might have less control over the quality of products and services. Quality issues with suppliers can negatively impact the organization's reputation and customer satisfaction. Number 2, loss of control. Outsourcing certain functions means relinquishing a level of control over those activities. This can lead to concerns about how the activities are performed and potential misalignment with the organization's goals. Number 3, cost savings. One of the primary reasons for sourcing is cost reduction. Outsourcing certain activities to external suppliers can often be more cost-effective than performing them in-house, especially if the supplier has economies of scale. Number 4, focus on core activities. Sourcing non-core activities allows organizations to focus on their core competencies and strategic activities. This can lead to increased efficiency and innovation in areas where the organization excels. Number 5, confidentiality and security. Sharing sensitive information with external partners raises concerns about data security and intellectual property protection. There's a risk of proprietary information being compromised. Number 6. Hidden costs. While outsourcing might seem cost-effective on the surface, there can be hidden costs, such as management and coordination expenses, legal fees, and the cost of transitioning to a new supplier. Number 7. Cultural differences. When sourcing from international suppliers, cultural differences can impact communication, work ethics, and understanding of expectations. Number 8. Loss of skills. Outsourcing functions can lead to a loss of internal skills and expertise. If the organization decides to bring the function back in-house, it might need to rebuild these capabilities. In summary, sourcing decisions involve a careful balancing act between potential benefits and risks. Organizations need to consider their unique circumstances, the nature of the goods or services being sourced, and the impact on their core competencies and strategic goals. Successful sourcing requires thorough research, due diligence, and ongoing management to mitigate disadvantages and capitalize on advantages. Businesses can get access to new markets, cut expenses, and source a wider variety of goods and services by sourcing globally. However, it is crucial for businesses to carefully examine any hazards, such as linguistic challenges, lengthier lead times, and cultural differences. Companies may successfully traverse the difficulties of global sourcing and enjoy the benefits of a more varied and dynamic supply chain by implementing effective communication and risk management systems. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.